Okay, welcome back once again, my dear friends of YouTubers. Here with you, Master Hilqaan, abdi, aden. Wanted to share you a speech on knowledge is power. Speech about knowledge is power. Though I am hereby to apologize, my dear friends of YouTubers, because these days I was away for in a trip. Thanks to the Almighty Allah, I am back. Okay, dear friends, warm greeting to all of you. Hope you all are in the best of healthy and spirit. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic called Knowledge is Power. I hope everyone present here on relate with the topic and agree with it too. There is no bigger power than the knowledge of power itself. Information as well or no is truly